Well, good morning and what's up, guys? So today's video is just going to be basically about my everyday life, what a normal day is for me. Okay, so first things first, what I'm going to do is we're going to do a little cold start for the Genesis. Okay. It's about 6 in the morning. It's not very cold out here. I live in Arizona, so. That's all I'm gonna do for right now. You know, it's a little early. Most people should be up by now, but who knows? So I'm off to work. This video is just going to be little clips here and there about what I do for work. It's not normal. You know, you don't really see a lot of car guys in this kind of work, so it'll be. I feel like it'll be interesting for you guys. It'll be a little something different, but who knows? Maybe a lot of you guys already know this kind of work. You know, it's a little bit different for a car guy. Usually you don't see car guys doing this kind of work. But yeah, stay tuned, and today should be pretty interesting. Alrighty, so I'm almost on this open road. So what I kind of wanted to do is just get like a little pool going after I get off this highway. Let's turn this traction control off real quick. Let's see. Just give you guys a little listen. Should have kept the traction control on, but I'm gonna wait for a few of these cars to pass and see if we can't hit a good speed here. Got some cars braking up here. There's quite a bit of traffic after 6 o'clock. You know, usually supposed to be to work before 6, and you know there's usually no traffic at all, but once 6 o'clock hits, everybody's out and about. So there's a car coming up. I'm going to wait until it passes. Usually on this road, no traffic, I could get 140 easily. I'd have to make a different video on that, but I'm definitely using a lot of gas, so. Alright, well, I'm fixing to pull into work. The rest of the video is literally just going to be my work, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm at my place of work, and it's a little bit different. Like I said, you know, not a lot of car guys you see work here, but yeah, so let's see.
Screen up in the dash like a fucking Mike Jones. 281-330-8004. All my friends are black, now I feel like Paul. Looking
your basket to a certain amount, wherever you want it. Load the truck, usually put about 2-3 baskets on it, depending on how wet the alfalfa is. That's basically it. You send them off back to Buckeye, they dump at the dairy and come back for another load. Yeah, pretty big machine. It's a pretty fun job. I like what I do. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up there. It wasn't an entire day, just a quick video, basically about what I do, and nothing fancy, but I didn't want to get into too much of what I do. But if you guys want to see more of what I do for work, you know, let me know, and I'll cover more videos on the tractor and, you know, how it works. I'll give a better walk around of it, or even if you guys want to see more of my cars, you know, definitely, like, I'm all about it. My RX-7, she runs, she drives, all it needs is tires, really. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see and I'll upload it. You know, I want a wide variety of an audience, so just let me know what you want. Please go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and feel free to watch my previous video as well, my first upload, my pilot to the channel. I'm trying to get big. Thank you guys for watching.